on YouTube, Kenny Alexander Black Sheep RC. We're gonna try to power slide this in the gravel. We're gonna try to hit the jump. We're gonna try to do a backflip. We're gonna call it East Texas Jump Challenge. Let's check it out. M2C center drive shafts, guys, and out drives on the center differential. Let's go. See if we can. There's the backflip. Power slide. East Tactics Jump Challenge complete. There it is, y'all. I'm gonna got. There's your power slide. Into the wall. Back there. Into the wall, into the wall, into the wall. Oh, East Tactics Jump Challenge complete. Dang, how tough's this truck?
Long life, now we feel it.